Welcome to the deep dive.
Hello.
Today, we're trying something a bit different. We're going deep into a short suspense story.
Yeah, one that's actually really good for English learners. We'll be pulling out some key vocabulary.
Exactly. So you get some language practice and a little bit of a thrill. The story's called The Last Text.
Ooh, sounds intriguing already.
Right. So the basic idea is Emma gets this mysterious text message from her friend Laura.
Okay.
But Laura, well, she vanished 3 years ago.
Wow. Okay, vanished. That's our first word, isn't it? Kicks things off intensely.
It really does. So Laura vanished. What does that tell us straight away?
Vanished. It means she disappeared suddenly. Like poof, gone without a trace.
Right, no explanation.
Exactly. Think of a magician making a rabbit vanish. It's that sudden. So vanished, disappeared suddenly. Sets a mysterious tone right from the start, you know?
Definitely. And this text, it doesn't just come from anyone, it's from a blocked number.
Yeah. Blocked number. That means the caller ID is hidden.
So Emma has no idea who it is initially, except for the message content itself.
Precisely. Blocked number caller ID hidden. Just adds to the whole weirdness of it all.
And the message content is weird. It says her name, it's me, meet at the old spot, alone. But then something else happens to the message.
Yeah, this is really strange. The message deleted itself right after she read it.
Whoa. Okay.
Gone. She couldn't even reread it to check. Deleted itself, meaning it erased automatically.
That definitely ramps up the tension, doesn't it?
It really does. So, okay, the message says meet at their old spot. And where is that?
It turns out to be the abandoned bookstore.
Abandoned. Okay, another great vocabulary word. What does abandoned suggest here?
Well, it means left empty, right? Like permanently empty. Nobody uses it anymore.
Exactly. Left permanently empty. Instantly creates that kind of spooky, neglected feeling. Perfect for a secret meeting, maybe?
Or something more sinister. Abandoned, left permanently empty.
So Emma heads there, presumably. And as she gets closer, she sees something.
Yeah, a light. But it's not just on, it flickers.
Flickers. Good word. Meaning it shines unsteadily, on again, off again, or just wavering.
Like a candle in a breeze or a faulty bulb.
Exactly. Flickers, shines unsteadily. Another small detail that just adds to the unease.
Now, the story also mentions Laura disappeared 3 years ago. We started with vanished. Is disappeared basically the same thing?
They're very, very close. Disappeared also just means went missing. You know, maybe less sudden or mysterious than vanish can sometimes imply, but often used interchangeably.
Okay.
Like police might say someone disappeared from their home. Disappeared, went missing.
Got it. So, despite the block number, the self-deleting message, the abandoned place, the flickering light, Emma decides to go.
She does. The story says she felt determined.
Determined meaning?
Strongly motivated.
Right.
Really set on doing something. She wasn't going to be put off easily. Determined, strongly motivated. Tells you something about Emma.
Yeah, she wants answers. All these elements, the missing friend, the strange message, the spooky location, they create a strong feeling of.
Oh, definitely suspense. That feeling of anxious uncertainty. You're on the edge of your seat, wondering what's going to happen. Suspense, anxious uncertainty.
Absolutely. And Emma's heading into the situation probably hoping to find some evidence.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Evidence, proof of something. Clues about what happened to Laura, why she sent the text. Anything. Evidence, proof of something.
So this whole situation, Laura's return from, well, wherever she was, it's a complete...
It's a total mystery. An unexplained situation. Something puzzling that needs figuring out. Mystery, unexplained situation.
Great. Okay, we've covered a lot of useful words there. Let's do a really quick quiz just to help lock them in. You ready?
Let's do it. Good way to practice.
All right. Question 1. Who sent that mysterious text message?
That was Laura, Emma's friend who had vanished.
Right. And what was particularly strange about the message itself?
Oh, the fact that it deleted itself after Emma read it.
Yeah.
Vanished like its sender.
Hey, good point. Where did Laura want to meet Emma?
At their old spot, the abandoned bookstore.
Okay. How long had Laura been missing?
It was 3 years. A long time.
And remind us, what does abandoned mean in that context?
It means left empty permanently. Unused.
Perfect. Now, why didn't Emma just say, call the police? Why did she go?
Because she felt determined. She wanted to find out for herself.
And what feeling does the disappearing message and the whole setup create?
A lot of suspense. That anxious waiting.
Definitely. Last quiz question. What did Emma see as she approached the bookstore?
She saw a light that flickers, shining unsteadily in the back.
Excellent. So we've hit the vocabulary, practice with repetition, and tested it with the quiz, all wrapped in this little suspense story.
Now, the story ends right there, doesn't it? With Emma arriving and hearing a voice.
Yeah, it says, "You came, I knew you'd remember." Cliffhanger. Leaves you wondering what happens next.
It does, and it really shows how just a few well-chosen words, vanished, abandoned, flickers, can build a whole mood. Think about how you could use these yourself.
Great point. Keep listening, keep learning, and stay curious. We'll catch you on the next deep dive.
Bye for now.